brand spanky Jeep 24 Compass, and we're doing a very dark headliner, and we're going to show you how to get these bulbs out, but you can't do it from the front. You gotta do it from the back. Let me show you. Push up and pull down. You gotta pull this guy down. So do it with one hand. Can I get my hand in there? Can I? Probably not. It does sound like it breaks. It does not, because these two are popping out of these. You see? Right there. And these two are coming out of the socket over here. Can you see that? There's two little legs right there that they align. You see? Now isn't that nice of Jeep? Now squeeze this guy and catch it as it falls. Or just use both hands. I mean, that's always good. And you pull from the backside. Isn't that nice? More 194s. I'll put the link in the description. No, these are W5Ws. I don't even know. I'll find them. I'll get them for you. 2 of them. Now, let's do the backside, because the backside is even more fun. So let's plug this thing up and put it away. We got one and another one over here. But I'm going to demonstrate on this one because it does make it seem like it looks like it's easy, right? It just says open. I mean, you would think just open it. Oh, open it. And you can't. You got to get these guys out. Away from these little prongs. I just helped myself to all of them, just about, because I didn't want to break these. Once you break them, you bought them. So I was gently, carefully prying in between the glass, the clear and the white. And once it's actually free from these back hind legs, these guys, it just falls apart. You don't have to open anything. It just literally falls apart because that's what's actually holding it together. So if you look, see if I can do this with one hand. Can I? Gotta concentrate. Put the bulb in. You see? Yeah, it slides in to lock into place, but you see, these two lock into place. And it just falls apart. So open, okay, buddy. Here's another 194s. Same thing. Where's it? 156. What is this? 158? What's going on here? Now they're messing with me. I bet you 194s will work. But either way, there you have it. Do the same thing on the other side. And like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, and carefully pry these guys back and lock them into place. Got it? Got it. There you go. Thanks for watching.